Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Mini Cooper. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 134 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 62 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 18 and the car's covered just over 42,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Midnight Black and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we have a look inside, a nice clean interior. I do like the different tone stitching going up the sides of the seats there. Onto the dashboard, you've got your DAB radio and Bluetooth, as well as air conditioning, and I see there's a couple of drink holders there in the centre as well. On the driver's door card, you've got your electric mirror and front window controls as well. As we open the tailgate, on the Minis, you have your split folding rear seats there and also a parcel shelf. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights and the 15-inch alloy wheels. And the first owner chose rear parking sensors as well from the factory. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with finance for just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.